Greetings from the city of revolution, known through history as Leningrad. The city's name used to be Petrograd, and today's the name of the city is Saint Petersburg. The name Neva originates from the Finnish word for swamp, reflecting the area's state when Peter the Great founded the city in 1703, built on a swamp comprising 44 islands. It's said that 200,000 people or workers lost their life during its construction, establishing Petersburg on their bones. The city's name has changed multiple times. Petrograd, meaning Peter's city, Grad also means city. Then Leningrad, name after Lenin, the city of Lenin. Today, it is called Petersburg, derived from Saint Peter, one of the Jesus' 12 apostles and the city's patron saint. The name Peter means rock, symbolizing unwavering faith, reflecting Peter the Great's character. This is Peter and Paul Fortress, established by Peter the Great in 1703 after Swedish King Charles XII controlled the area. Originally built for defense, it later became a prison. Here you can see the Neva River and the fortress across it. Dostoevsky was imprisoned here for 8 months before being sent into exile. The lighting arrangements here are so beautiful in winter and in summer nights. Approaching the fortress, I will cross another bridge to reach it. This is Vasilievsky Island, one of the 44 major islands on which Petersburg is built. Across from the fortress, you can see a mosque with two minarets. The call to prayer or azan can be heard in Petersburg, which has a Muslim population of around 10% in St. Petersburg. I am now walking into the fortress, a place rich in history and significance. The Peter and Paul Cathedral is also the burial site of the Romanov dynasty. All members of the Romanov family are buried here. The Romanov dynasty began in 1613 with Mikhail and lasted until the Bolshevik Revolution in 1917. The last Tsar, Nicholas II, and his family were executed in 1918. Their remains were reburied here in 1998. On the 80th anniversary of their death, though some remains are still in Moscow due to church significance. Exiting the Peter and Paul Cathedral, I am now walking towards the prison. The most notable prisoner here was Alexander Ulyanov. He is the Lenin's brother. Alexander was executed in 1887 for attempting to assassinate Tsar Alexander III. This event profoundly impacted Lenin, who was 16 at the time, leading him to dedicate his life to the revolutionary cause. The city spans across numerous islands, connected by an intricate network of canals and bridges, earning it the nickname Venice of the North. With a population of over 5 million, St. Petersburg is Russia's second largest city. It's a melting pot of cultures, traditions, reflecting its diverse history and international influences. St. Petersburg is home to some of the most iconic buildings in the world. The Winter Palace, a stunning Baroque masterpiece, now houses the Hermitage Museum, one of the largest and the oldest museums globally. Another architecture marvel is St. Isaac's Cathedral, renowned for its massive golden dome and breathtaking interior. Thanks for joining us on this journey through St. Petersburg. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating travel stories. See you next time.